Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another headlamp review, this time from Nicron. This is their H10R. This is a basic use headlamp, puts out 130 lumens, running on a AA cell, or you can use the included battery that comes with this, a complete kit. This is a 14500 battery in here, comes in this box. Now they sent this to me directly, so we're going to look here at the specs. Does have SOS, some other special features, running the Cree LED. We'll find out what type it is in there. Rest of it is in Chinese on the box. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. Now this is considered a everyday duty headlamp. It's going to provide good range as well as light output from your, probably, my guess is probably 100 feet or more, probably about 150, 200 feet at the most. So this is going to provide a good amount of light. It does come with a charging cable for the battery. Here's the user manual and warranty card. And of course, English version of that. Show you the, as you can see, 130 lumens with the included 14500 cell. Otherwise, it's going to be substantially less with the AA batteries. Now, if you need more time to read this, go ahead and pause your screen. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and move along. Go ahead and take the headlamp out of here. Super lightweight, even with the battery in it. So it's definitely, now this is really nice because you can easily detach it and make it for everyday carry. So that's really a plus. Easily pop that in and you're ready to go. You can even leave the clip on there. You can remove it if you don't want it on there. Easily adjustable. Strap feels really good, and you definitely make this for people with larger heads like myself. Go ahead and make that bigger now. The band feels very nice, very comfortable on this. It's got the kind of a smooth, got kind of a felt lining on the inside of the band, so that feels really comfortable. And that looks good too. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and show you another feature on this light, which is really nice. Magnetic, very strong. So if you take it off your head, you could still keep the band on your head and hold the flashlight by hand. It's always nice. Again, put that back on. Really super easy to take it on and off if you need it in a moment's notice, or if you want it the other way, simply put that on. Really a key feature on that. So now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light up close. Now I'll try to get an up close to this LED here so you guys know what it is. This is the Cree XP-E2R3 LED. Try to get a good close-up of that. Looks really good. Not seeing any issues. Yeah, that looks really nice. I really like this here, even though it's in one direction going this way. But it's just the style of this is really nice. Really been impressed with the Nicron lights so far, and they're very affordable. machining and finish on this is excellent. Not seeing any issues there. Got the power switch. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the battery. And there's the spring there. Well greased on the threads. Show you the battery. Again, this is USB rechargeable. 14500, 750 milliamp protected cell. There's the indicator, red when charging, green when finished. Alright, so now let's go ahead and put it back together and let's go over this very simple UI with this. We're going to go ahead and turn it on here, as you can see. Nice beam profile on this. As you can see, it's a real focused hotspot, small, so it should throw a little further than normal. A lot of bleeding in here, around there, before it goes to the spill. Spill is pretty large for that small of a head of a light. Then of course, you go down to next level. That's the lowest level. And then it turns off. And press and hold for 2 seconds, I believe that is, to get strobe. Press and hold this again, goes back to the regular UI, and you can even do it when it's on. Press and hold that to get strobe. And that's all there is to this light. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here tonight in the darkness with the Nicron headlamp. Now this one's really nice. It's just for basic use. It's going to give you 130 lumens. So let's try it out here. See how it does. There we go. 35 feet there, as you can see, to that water spout from where I'm standing. A good wide beam on here, the beam profile. Got a lot of spill area. Faintly making it across the park. Look at that. Only 130 lumens coming out of here. 65 feet to that tree from where I'm standing. Tree line, fence line, the beam there. We'll do a beam profile here just so we can see it. Look how wide that is. It's not going to be a huge amount of light, but it does really well. Probably about 200 feet is max on this. That's 138 feet to that tree. You can see the beam is on it. Move my head around. And you can faintly see it on the tree behind it, which is 238 feet. So probably about 200 feet is going to be the max. Usable, that is. And we'll just pan it around here. Here's a before, after, before. Super light on the head. Even forget that you have it on here. Alright, we're going to go down to the next level. There's the next level out. Or excuse me, the less light output. The next level down, so that's good. Still making 65 feet with this light output here. And it's not too blinding, even with your hands within 5 feet from you. It's going to be good for if you're working on something up close. It's not going to be too terribly reflecting back into your eyes. So it's doing really good. And it's still faintly making a tree of life, as you can see the beam moving around there. So that's good. Looks really good. Not bad for just a basic headlamp. You don't need a lot of lumens, and you're just walking the dog or doing something up close within 200 feet. Jogging. You just want some visibility. This is going to do really good for you. All right. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Really nice performance. As far as high lumen output, this does not have. This is going to be mainly used for like up close within easily, 100 feet. Anything further than that, if you're going to need something, you're going to want to go with quite a bit more lumen output. This did, performance-wise, it was easily doing over 100 feet. So that was pretty impressive. You probably could go 200 feet, but it'd be very faint at the end of that. So my advice for this light would definitely be for up close, working on a car. You need something hands-free around the house. It's not going to provide a lot of reflection back on you. You can use this light. It's definitely very lightweight. Good for if you're a jogger, a hiker, you just want an extra light, you have one in your hand. This is definitely something that I would carry because it's so light. And if you say like your other light goes dead in your hand, you've got this one to get you back where you started from. So again, the quality on these are very nice. Price, again, is very nice. This is a complete kit. Comes with everything you need in this package to get you started outside this package right here. And nice, you could take this off and use it as a regular side right angle light, which is really nice. Clip it onto your shirt or jacket or whatever you plan on doing, or you can simply keep this on your head as well. Magnetic base on this. Again, you can place it on any metal object. Definitely a very nice quality headlamp. So I want to thank Nicron for sending me this to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, they have provided me a special discount code to get this from their website. So just look up on that screen right about there. And that's an exclusive discount code, especially for my channel. And that'll help you save some money on this, should you be interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this Nicron headlamp or everyday carry. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of Nicron products to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.